Alright, so today what we're going to do is review the different ways to write an introduction for a nonfiction book. So we've already talked about how one way to do it is to name your topic and just say what you're going to teach. Today I'm going to teach all about. Another way is to ask a question. So for example, have you ever? And then another way, our last way, is to share a fun fact. Something cool that the reader is going to get really interested in, like did you know something? Okay? So I'm going to show you how to do this really quickly. I'm going to write a book about plants, and I want my introduction to do something kind of interesting so that my reader wants to read my book. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the strategies, and I'm going to think, okay, I'm going to try and maybe ask a question. So I'm going to ask my readers, have you ever tried to grow a plant? And then I'm going to challenge myself a little today, and I'm going to maybe add a fun fact as well. So I'm going to think of a did you know? Did you know? Did you know that bees help plants grow? And then what we often do is we often like to name our topics. So even though you only need to do one of these strategies, if you can do two like I did, or even three, and name your topic, you're going to have an even better introduction. So we could say, now, to let the readers know what we're talking about, today I'm going to teach you all about, and since I'm teaching about plants, I'm going to say, today I'm going to teach you all about plants. Okay? So when you write your introduction, remember, we could have three different strategies. The first one of them is to ask a question using have you ever, like I did. Have you ever tried to grow a plant? And you could even share a fun fact as well. Did you know that bees help plants grow? And then, of course, what we want to do is make sure the reader knows what we're writing about, so we can name our topic and say, today I'm going to teach you, and what I wrote is, today I'm going to teach you all about plants. So now it's your turn to try this. What you're going to do is you're going to look at our three strategies, name your topic, ask a question, and share a fun fact, and see which one you're going to use to write your own introduction. And if you really want to challenge yourself, try to use two or maybe even three like I did. Off you go.